Alright, so here I have the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. In the box here it says since 1884, the original Swiss Army knife. So this version is the one with the nail clipper. So I figured that, they have lots of choices here, but the one with the nail clipper might be useful, so I decided to purchase this one. So let's take a look at what's inside. Alright, so we have a little piece of paper here. Okay, so just telling you to lubricate if necessary. Okay, so the color that I picked was kind of this translucent red. It's pretty cool. There's the original red that you expect from Swiss Army. This one I decided to go with the clear red. It's pretty nice here. Do notice that it's a little bit scuffed on this side, mainly because I was probably scratching with the paper, I'm not sure, but it's okay. It's gonna get scratched anyways. So first of all, let's take a look. Let's see how much this thing weighs. So here I've got a scale, right, in grams, right. Comes in about 37 grams. Yeah, 37 grams. Alright, so let's see. First off, we have, let's see what's here. We've got a tweezer. Nice. You can actually see how it goes in through the clear kite shell or case here. That's cool. And then on the other side, we have this kind of toothpick looking thing. Right, we put that back in. And then we've got the scissors here. It's gonna be useful. Alright, let's just try cutting this. Nice, super sharp. See how it works, the mechanism. So it pushes in, this goes in, and this springs and back outwards. Nice touch. Okay, let's put that back in, like so. Got a little keychain ring here. Right, and let's see what else we have here. We have one blade with file. Actually, this is just a filing, not even a blade. Nice. And of course it comes with this one is a blade, right? And now let's look at the nail clipping feature. So they were able to include it into here while keeping it pretty compact. I'm guessing it's going to be this part here where it's got a bit of a grip. Okay, all right. So you saw I just did that and it popped out. Nice. It clips into place. Here you can see it says Victorinox, Swiss made. Cool. And let's see, how does this work? Pull it up, flip it across. I'll show you guys again. So pull it up, flip it across, and I guess you can start clipping away, just like that. All right, you know what? I might as well just clip a little bit, show you guys how this works. Nice. I mean, your nails are gonna be flying all over the place, It has no little like storage area here, but that's fine. Very nice. I love the design. See that? And then to put away, flip it all the way up. And then we're gonna close this up, and I'm guessing this is gonna snap it back into place. That's cool. Do it again. Very nice. So I find that the reason why I got the nail clippers is because, you know, I've got kids, and pretty useful to have a nail clipper. You know, just I think it's gonna be pretty useful to have something like this ready when you're out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, thanks for watching.